Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fiesta fan belt. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a new serpentine belt, a wrench set, and a breaker bar. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. It's also a good idea to have a diagram of your belt's routing handy before you begin, as this will guide your installation. Now let's release the tension. Locate the automatic belt tensioner pulley, which usually has a square opening for a breaker bar. Insert your breaker bar and rotate the tensioner clockwise to relieve the tension on the belt. While holding the tensioner, carefully slip the old serpentine belt off all the pulleys. Once it's off, you can slowly release the tensioner. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Refer to your routing diagram and carefully thread the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys, leaving the tensioner pulley for last. Double-check that the belt is properly seated in all the grooves. Once routed, use your breaker bar to rotate the tensioner again, then slip the new belt over the tensioner pulley. Slowly release the tensioner. Before you finish, visually inspect the entire belt path to ensure it's perfectly aligned on every pulley and not twisted anywhere. Then, start your engine for a minute or two and listen for any unusual noises or wobbles, which could indicate an issue. Turn the engine off and recheck the belt's position one last time. Finally, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.